Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment in Belchertown, Massachusetts. And behind me today, we're starting off the new year with a Kioti OEM thumb kit to all their backhoes. They're going to make this for the KB2465, the KB2475L, and the KB2485. This thumb is a mechanical thumb. You can possibly in the future add some type of piston setup to make this a hydraulic thumb, but currently they're running a mechanical thumb, and you're going to be able to have grease zerks on some of the pins fittings and adjust this out of the way or down further if you would like. So this is going to be available on all their backhoes, including the backhoes that you've purchased without this weld-on piece. So this welded piece comes standard from the factory right now to add this mechanical thumb, but there is a bracket kit to add to a backhoe that does not already have this welded on it. So this is a new system. Kioti's never offered a thumb. We were always having to weld a thumb, and now they have a standard thumb from the factory as an option, and pretty reasonable in my books compared to a lot of other thumbs out there. So a good option for you. Serrated teeth, works really, really well. I'm going to fire this up right now and show you a little bit about it. You'll really be able to grab logs and come right down on them and pick them up. Kind of nice. You'll be able to place logs or rocks in piles and be able to clamp onto brush. Great for doing firewood if you're doing logs and cutting it, bringing it from one area to the other. But all around, going to be a great option for guys. Really going to make these Kioti backhoes sell easier, and a lot of customers are going to be really happy with this thumb design. It's taken a lot of testing for them to figure it out, but we're pretty pleased with what they come out with, and especially the price point. And this is going to be available again on the KB2465, KB2475L, and the KB2485. And you will be able to get a mounting kit if you do not have the welded piece on your backhoe. So again, guys, Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment, just overviewing this new thumb design for the Kioti backhoes from the factory. A real nice option. This is our first one sold, and we're pleased to see that they finally offer a factory thumb for all you guys. Thank you. Take care.